Welcome to digital class, and now we are continuing with this pattern concept, type 1 number or shape pattern. But from what you have learned, you should be able to solve most of the pattern or shape, number or shape pattern. But the problem is sometimes you might see some of the weird question like this one. Okay, now if you look at this question here, says that the first 7 numbers of a number pattern are given below. So you can see 991, 999, 991. So I'm decreasing by 8, so I reduce by 8. 991 become 988, so it reduced by 3. Then here, reduced by 8. Here, reduced by 3. Here, reduced by 8. Here, reduced by 3. So it just gives us a very weird combinations here. Then with that, how can we actually find? Because this is not like what we have learned, but is decreasing in a very, very weird way. So how do we solve a question like this? Now in this case, you should actually understand that this is not a normal question. This is not what we have learned, but we can use what we have learned actually to kind of solve it and also use some of our creativity to think through it. So for example, you can see this is the first number, second number, just zoom in a bit. This is the third number, fourth number, fifth number, sixth number. And if you look carefully, this is odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. And if you only focus on the odd number, you will see that it is actually reducing by 11, 11, 11. Correct. And if we now look at and only focusing on the even number, 2, 4, 6, and you notice what? It is also decreased by what? 11. Now, we are asked what is the 56 number? 56. And 56, is it an odd or even number? It is an even number. So, I know that I need to focus actually only on the blue color, which is the even number. Let me just rewrite everything here so that it's easy for you to understand. 991, 980, 969. So this is the second, fourth, sixth. And now we are looking at the 56, which I don't know what is it. Okay, I don't know what is it. Now, again, I know I'm decreasing by 11, decreasing by 11, and I don't know how many 11 should I decrease to reach 56. Correct. Now, interestingly, you should know that yes, this is the second number in this, but this can be maybe the first number in our own sequence here. Now I take it out. In my sequence now, this is the first number. This is the second number. This will be the third number. Then what number will this be? You should notice one interesting part, right? 1 times 2 gives you 2. 2 times 2 gives you 4. 3 times 2 gives you 6. Then what numbers here? Times 2 will give you 56. It will be 28. And now you can see my number is 991. I minus 11, then I get my second number. And minus 211, I get my third number. Then how many times should I minus 11? How many times should I minus 11 to get my 28 number? The answer is 27 times. Huh, teacher, why 27, not 28? You just see, if I want to get, example, let me just highlight for you. If I want to get number 2, I minus only for 1 time. If I want to get 3, I minus for how many times? 2 times. So it's always 1 less than the number I'm at. Because the first one, I don't need to count. So if it's 28, means I need to minus how many times? 27 times. So 11 times 27, what did I get? 11 times 27, I get 297. And 991, I minus 27 11 times, which is 297, and I get the answer is 694. This basically tells me that, my number is not a question mark now, but is 694. And that's it. That is our answer for question number 6. Now, what do you notice that I did here? Means that I'm not doing something what we usually did, but what I try to do is to take out the even number, because this actually only impacts on my 11 even number. But of course, I still need to make my own sequence here because I'm taking only the even number. Okay? Now, the skills of recognizing odd and even. The skills of recognizing this is minus 11, minus 11, minus 11, minus 11. You will actually learn this specifically at pattern concept type 4 in different figures. This is actually something very similar to what we will be learning in this. Okay, so if you don't worry if you feel that this is very difficult. After you have learned this pattern concept, then you come back here and learn about this. Okay, and I hope you learned something, and thank you. See you. Bye bye.